Hey y'all, Blake here from the Southern Cowboy, and today this is more of a tutorial video, or how-to. That's why I don't have my hat on. This is more of a messy video, kind of. But today I'll be teaching you how to polish your belt buckle. Alright, so right here I'm holding is my Montana Silversmith's custom-made moose belt buckle. And you can kind of, well, really, it's hard to see what this, but there's like, scratches there. Now it looks like it has a mirror finish on the GoPro, right? However, on the moose, if you look very, very closely, there's like dust marks. And it started to get like those weird, things like, from your fingers, like, you know how glass gets those fangs on it? Yeah, that's what it's getting a little bit. So some people use a special polish for their belt buckles, right? Well, I don't have any of that, and it's hard for me to find any, right? So what I'll be using is WD-40. Now, believe it or not, it's actually good if the buckle has a mirror finish. And you're probably like, a mirror finish? Why does that matter? Well, it matters because it depends on the finish. If it's a mirror finish, or a solid a brass buckle, silver, gold, depends on the finish. So yeah, I'll be showing you how to clean them. Now, here's what we do. Make sure you put rubber gloves on for this. Forgot to mention that. Put rubber gloves on. Roll up your sleeves so your shirt doesn't get dirty, guys. And now, you will also want a microfiber cloth and get your WD-40. Now, I'm holding it like this. Here we go. This is why you stand back, ladies and gentlemen. Whew. Smells like gasoline. Now we just wipe. Just like that. Make sure you're careful. Do not scrape it in. So see, I did that for 30 seconds. And look what it's looking like already. That's a good sign. Now I carefully hold it. Make sure you do the back as well. Forgot to mention that. Make sure you do the back, because the back gets a little more dirty than the front. And the reason why is because if you condition your belt, either some dye from the belt, if it's like a colored belt, or the conditioner, depending on what it is, will get on it. It's just bad. Alright, now this one does get dirty more often. This is like my only buckle. I'll probably be getting a new one, because this is a little of a special buckle, I guess you could kind of call it. Now there's like 2 belt buckle companies in the world, which is really nice. The best ones are Molly's Custom Silver and Montana Silversmiths. Montana Silversmith's been around for a long time now. But Molly's, on the other hand, make more of a premium quality buckles now. I don't have a Molly's Custom Silver belt buckle. So I don't know for sure. However, I may be getting one. Look at that. That's the second time. And we flip this. Do this part. There we go. Now I'm gonna do the front one more time. Then we just let it dry naturally for like 10 to 5 minutes, depending on how much. If you do it 5 times each side, 10 minutes would be best. I don't know if Molly Silver does custom orders, like not on website, but they do custom orders, I think. I'll definitely check it out. Now I'm actually done this time. Now I'm really done. Yep, that's it. But yeah, I also want to mention my how to condition and clean your cowboy boots video will be tomorrow. I'll be making it tomorrow. And yeah, what else did I want to mention? Also, if you're wondering, if I have a social media, now that is gonna be on the bottom right here. This is my Instagram, BlakeGoodrow7, and my Facebook as well, Blake Goodrow. So yeah, make sure you follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day today. Keep it 7.